I have prepared a sentence builder to help you to describe a bit deeper the place you live at. Specifically, we're going to focus in how to say what are the good and the bad things of the place. So we're going to start with the good things, and we're going to focus on the green row of the sentence builder, the top one. So we're going to start saying lo bueno es que, the good thing is that. Then we're going to add I, there is or there are, and then we're going to say some positive things that we can find. For example, muchos jóvenes o adolescentes, many youngsters or adolescents, gente atenta, attentive people, or una playa, a beach. But you could also mention other places in town that we have learned previously. For example, hay una bolera, there is a bowling alley, or hay un polideportivo, there is a sports center. One example sentence would be this. Vivo en Londres. I live in London. Mi ciudad es muy bonita. My city is very pretty. Lo bueno es que hay muchos jóvenes. The good thing is that there are many youngsters. When talking about the bad things, we're going to choose lo malo es que. The bad thing is that. Then we can also say what there is or there are with I. And some negative things are gamberros, vandals or naughty people, ladrones, which means thieves, delincuencia, which means delinquency, basura, which means rubbish, or muchos turistas, if that bothers you, many tourists. We can also talk about la gente, the people, and bad things that they do. For example, se comporta mal, misbehave, se queja, complain, va con prisa, are in a hurry, fuma, smoke, se emborracha, get drunk, or se droga, take drugs. So remember we saw these three last verbs, fuma, se emborracha, and se droga, in our previous lesson last week. So a negative sentence we could do about the place we live at could be this. Lo malo es que hay muchos turistas. The bad thing is that there are many tourists, for example. Or we could also say, lo malo es que la gente se emborracha, for example. The bad thing is that people get drunk. So this is a good beginning talking about your city and the good thing and the bad things of your city. If you have to write about what you have to do at the weekend, for example, then you could do a little introduction in your writing about your city and then say some activities you're going to do in the city. For example, voy a ir al cine. I'm going to go to the cinema. So now is your time to practice with the activities below. But first, make sure you can print or copy this sentence builder in your book because we're going to need it to complete the activities below and you're going to need it to revise for the exam.